Hey guys, it's Dr. Anderson at Life Essentials Chiropractic in Missouri City. Guys, today we are continuing our series on the nerve system and core chiropractic. Guys, today I want to talk to you about the system that nobody really considers in healthcare until you start to feel it. But by the time you feel it, a lot of times it's been happening for a long time, and it's the system that controls all other parts of health in your body that you probably never considered. Guys, I want you to think about the miracle of life when your body was created for a moment. You have a cell from mom and dad. Those two cells come together. Those two cells become one, and that sparks your life and your existence. And there is a life force and an energy there that starts to build your body, right? So that one cell turns to two, turns to four, turns to eight, turns to 16, turns to 32 cells. And then the first structure that's ever formed is your neural tube, which is it becomes your brainstem and notochord and spinal cord. You literally in the beginning are almost just like a floating nerve system. And your nerve system has all the intelligence and all the life that you're going to build yourself into over the next 9 months inside your mother's womb. So it's pretty amazing how this system works. It's like, I always think of it like an acorn that can grow this gigantic oak tree that can live 100 years and grow 100 feet. But the intelligence and blueprint was in the acorn the whole time. That's how it is with your brain. Think about it like this. It's sort of like your brain will grow a spinal cord, like an acorn will grow a sprout. And then you grow nerve branches, like branches on a tree. And then this intelligence, this life force, this blueprint in your brain sends information through the spine, through the nerve system. And it's literally growing and communicating with all these organs and building them into existence like an apple or a flower grows on a tree. And this is all within 9 months before you even come out of your mother's womb. And then when you come out, that baby is a living, breathing being that if it gets a cut in its arm, it will heal. If it broke its bone, God forbid, it would heal it. If it gets the flu or an ear infection, it can heal. It can take breast milk and take this dead milk and turn it into living flesh, skin, hair, and eyeballs. And it can grow to a full-grown human being that can start that cycle all over again. And that power is in your nerve system that regulates that. And that's why your spinal health is so important. Only a small percentage of your nerve system, less than 10% of nerves, are actually pain sensory nerves. Most of the other activities of your nerve system, that can be 3 trillion bits of information every second of your life, 3 trillion signals. They're going through the brain and spinal nerve system and back from the body to the brain, and they're regulating your health and physiology. It makes your heart beat. It makes your lungs breathe. It makes your digestion work. It's why you can hear me talking, and that's why the food you ate for lunch or dinner right now literally is being broken down and built into your flesh, skin, hair, and eyeballs. And I want you to realize that it's a very neglected system because people don't think about the spine and nerve system until it hurts. But by the time it hurts, it's usually just from an immediate injury, or it's been there so long that it's starting to become chronic and degenerative. But there's so much in between that time that you can benefit from making sure that your nerve system is healthy, your spine is healthy, and everything that regulates will be a lot healthier, and you'll be a healthier, better version of yourself when you have regular corrective spinal maintenance. Just like you would never wait to brush your teeth until they hurt, you should never wait to get your spine checked, maintained, and adjusted as a regular part of your health routine until it hurts.